So let me show you different ways you can try and fix the screen color of your Galaxy Z Fold 8. So if you have something wrong with the colors of the screen, then here are a couple of things you can check. Number one is to check whether your phone is in sleep mode, because sleep mode sometimes does enable grayscale mode. So you can go into settings and then go to modes and routines and check if you have sleep mode on. So if it says turn on, then it means it's currently off. So that's, you should be good to go. Now, the next thing you can check is still under settings, display. Under display, you want to go to eye comfort shield and check if the eye comfort shield setting is what's causing your screen to have a different color. Now, this normally tries to make your screen color a bit warm. As you can see, you can have adaptive or custom. So you can try turning that off and see if that's what's causing your problem. Now, if I go one step back, you can also check the adaptive color tone. That could be the cause of your problem. So just try and turn it off. You can see it keeps changing the color. If I turn it off, it goes back to just white. And then above that, we have screen mode. So we have vivid mode, and then you have natural colors mode. So depending on what you want, when it's in vivid, you could have it at warm or cool. And you can see all those things change the colors of your screen. Now, if you go to advanced settings, you can even change specific items in the RGB. So for instance, you can change the green pigment, red, you can adjust everything the way you want. But ideally, if you have problems, you simply want to stick to the vivid color, which is the default. Now, the other thing you can check when if you have a strange screen color is to go back to settings and then go to accessibility. So let me just find accessibility. Here you go. So go to accessibility and then go to vision enhancements. And then from here, you want to check if you have color correction turned on, color inversion. Sometimes you might have color inversion enabled. So you want to go ahead and disable all this stuff. If you have anything enabled, just go ahead and disable the high contrast fonts, high contrast keyboard, highlight buttons, color inversion, color correction, all that stuff. Because sometimes you might have color correction enabled and you can see the colors look a little bit strange. And even to make matters worse, you might even have grayscale enabled and your screen is black and white. So just turn that feature off. Okay, so just go to color correction, turn all these features off until you identify what's causing the problem with your screen color. At least one of these should solve your problem. Thanks for watching and good luck.